Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle exercise 6.3 13 sum. Let's see the question. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. So let me draw a triangle ABC. D is a point on the side such that ADC. So joining AD such that ADC equal to BAC. So given that these two angles are equal. So in given angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Now show that to prove is CA square equal to CB into CD. If anything is there in into, remember that you need to prove by similarity. Anything in into we need to prove the sides are in multiply. You need to prove in similarity. So we are going to prove some similarity. Let me check which sides are coming here. It's CA. So CA is nothing but this side. CB is the full side, then CD is this side. So we are going to prove similarity. So taking this smaller triangle and the bigger one, because we want a big side. So taking smaller triangle and the bigger one, this smaller triangle and the bigger one, we can prove to prove. Now let me check. I'm going to prove similarity of triangle ABD and triangle. So A is equal to D. So ADC is common here. ABC. Triangle ABC and triangle DAC. So I am taking triangle ABC and triangle DAC. Otherwise, if there is a confusion of writing, just write this two as a triangle. Triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Anyway, you can write. Now we know that angle ADC is equal to BAC. In this smaller triangle, this angle is equal to the bigger triangle BAC, and we know that C is common in both the triangles. Here C is common here. The full triangle also C is common. So C is equal to C, which is common. Here it is given. Now we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. So by AA similarity we have proved it. Now we can write the sides in ratio, that is AB by DA is equal to BC by AC is equal to first 2 by first 2 is equal to last 2 by last 2 is equal to first and last by first and last. We want CA square. So here if we multiply we get CA square, taking this 2 BC or CB by CA is equal to CA by CD. Just cross multiplying this 2, we get AC square is equal to CB into CD. So this is what we want to prove. We have proved it. So write it to be hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.